Welcome to DAV Mall Public School e-learning classes, Standard 10, Subject Science, Chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. When an element displaces another element from its compound, such reactions are called as displacement reaction. When an element displaces another element from its compound of lower reactivity, it is said to be a displacement reaction. For example, when zinc metal is treated with hydrogen sulfide gas, hydrogen gas is produced and zinc sulfate is formed. Zinc displaces hydrogen from its compound and displaces from its compound, and a new substance is formed, zinc sulfate, with the release of hydrogen gas. This is an example of displacement reaction. Other example is when iron nail is treated with blue copper sulfate solution, the blue color of copper sulfate solution fade, become lighter. Iron react with displaces the copper from copper sulfate and form iron sulfate or ferrous sulfate, and copper is reproduced. In this reaction, iron displaces or remove less reactive copper from copper sulfate solution. Similarly, zinc react with zinc sulfate and displaces zinc react with copper sulfate and form zinc sulfate, and copper is displaced. Aluminium react with copper sulfate and aluminium sulfate is formed, and copper is reproduced or regenerated in the form of precipitate. Similarly, iron react with copper sulfate and form ferrous sulfate or iron sulfate, copper is produced. In all these cases, more reactive element displaces the less reactive element from their compounds. Double displacement reaction. Reaction in which there is exchange of ions between the reactants are called double displacement reaction. These reactions are also called precipitation reaction, as an insoluble substance is formed which is known as precipitate. Any reaction that produces precipitate can be called precipitation reaction. Example, when silver nitrate is treated with sodium chloride, silver chloride is formed and sodium nitrate is produced. In this reaction, silver chloride and sodium nitrate, two different products are produced, and silver chloride is produced in the form of precipitate. Oxidation and reduction reaction or redox reaction. Reaction involve the gain or loss of oxygen or hydrogen or electron by substances. Such reaction are called as redox reaction. If a substance gain oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. If a substance lose oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced. If a reactant get oxidized while the other get reduced during a reaction, such reaction are called oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. If a substance gain oxygen or lose hydrogen during a reaction, it is oxidized. If a substance loses oxygen or gain hydrogen during a reaction, it is reduced. For an example, when sodium react with chlorine, sodium loses electron and chlorine gain electron. This is an example of redox reaction. Similarly, when methane is oxidized, produce carbon dioxide and water. Methane here react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide, so oxidation of carbon take place and oxygen is converted into water. In this process, reduction reaction take place. Corrosion. When a metal is attacked by substance around it, such as moisture, acid, etc., it is said to corrode, and this process is called corrosion. The black coating on silver and the green coating on copper are examples of corrosion. Rusting of iron is also an example of corrosion. Corrosion causes damage to car bodies, bridges, iron nail, ships, and to all the objects made up of metals, especially those of irons. Corrosion of iron is a serious problem. Rancidity. When fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste changes. Usually substances which prevent oxidation, that is antioxidants, are added to food containing fats and oil. Keeping food in air-tight container helps to slow down oxidation. This prevents the food from becoming rancid, and hence chips are flushed with nitrogen gas to prevent it from rancidity. Thank you.